everybody, it's Nick here from Trainer Plus. I just want to speak to you today about our new workshop on how to innovate your fitness business. So with gyms, continuing to struggle through the realities of the pandemic, we want to do something that could help out. There's uncertainty with closures, restrictions, everything that's going on, and gyms have been sort of forced to go online to help try to retain new members and drive new revenues. Now, while everyone's moved online, most have really struggled to find new customers, let alone retain the ones that they had. We've seen a lot of people move to stream classes and online virtual training, but it's not helped as much as everyone is sort of hoping in terms of keeping revenues up, and especially in reaching out and getting new revenues or attracting new customers. With January approaching, obviously this is a big time of year for everybody where they usually do a big revenue bump for the year, but with everything going on right now, people aren't even sure whether there might be some attrition this year. They might lose annual memberships, let alone see the type of spike they usually see. So without getting customers back or attracting new ones, there's a lot of gyms that are really at risk here of potentially even failing as 2021 comes on, or at least having a really tough time to make it through the winter. So that's why we decided to launch this workshop series and try to help out. What we're doing is we're taking what we've learned from the world of tech, from being a tech company, and also in having talked to just many gym owners and trainers over the years. And we've developed a workshop that's going to help gym owners and operators develop new online services effectively and in a way that can be profitable. So we are taking what's called the lean startup method, which was developed in Silicon Valley. So help gyms take an approach to take stuff from ideas into successful launches and then eventually scale that. The whole approach is about how to take a data-driven approach and use iteration. So we're going to give people a framework so you can understand your market and services and what you can do to drive new revenue in the current circumstances. So with all this uncertainty of restrictions and being closed and everything else, what you can do to have a successful new online services. In the end, you're going to have a complete plan to test and develop your new services, to train staff so you can deliver them properly, all the materials you need for a successful implementation, as well as a step launch plan to go from a small group to your member base and then beyond into new markets. So the idea is it's a 4-week workshop. Each week we're going to give you different exercises to do, different goals to lay out. We're going to give you a complete framework that you can follow so you have everything you need for this successful launch and implementation to be able to install this sort of lean methodology within your staff as well. So if you are somebody who's thinking about launching new online services, if you're somebody who's done it in the past and has struggled to see the results from it, if you're looking at how you can approach new markets like corporate wellness and healthcare, how you can launch challenges, however it is, this workshop can help you out. We're going to make sure you've got a plan, you've got the tools to be able to execute it properly. So if you want more information about the workshop, you can go to our website. It's www.trainerpl.us/workshop, or you can email me, Nick, N-I-C-K, @trainerpl.us to get more information. We're hoping to get it started in the middle of December, and there are limited spots. So if you are interested, go to the website and register, or else reach out to me, and we can get you more information. Thanks a lot. Hope to see you soon, and hope to help you build your business in 2021.